All this is the skills. Ukiniona pale YouTube, just subscribes and link the share, na itakuwa ni ya baraka sana. Hapa TikTok pia usiniache hivyo. Yeah, na itakuwa ni ya baraka sana. So the theme is that is a donze. Then on a baseline part, you start with C, which is 6, then unakuja 4, then 6, 5, 6, 4, 6, 5, 6, 4, 6, 5. Then kuna ira nimetumia hapa hivi ya base. Yeah. Hiyo ni inakupatia passings za kwenda kwa 6. Ni team do 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 do. Tani. That is a passing line. Tebu tujaribu kucombine kidogo tuone vina nini. Ni that is number 1. Then the second style tumetumia hiyo part ya 7 ni so simple. Atujaribu kuweka beats tuone. So simple, my guy. So don't forget to subscribe pale TikTok. Don't forget to like the video and comment. Even you can send your requested. I can answer you by any music, whether it's a compa music, anything. Be blessed, be blessed. Thank you.